Hi and welcome to Business with Joe. In this week's video we're going to be talking about starting on Tumblr, marketing, and we'll also give you 15 ways to make money. Tumblr is both a content publication service and a social media network, allowing sharing of links, photos, videos, text and quotes. You can subscribe to other Tumblr blogs and repost interesting content. Publishing and finding content couldn't be easier as they are categorized according to their theme. Videos, photo, fashion, food, etc. This makes it easier to target one area, whatever you are interested in, and allows them to be better highlighted on the platform. If you're not using Tumblr and you are unsure, then keep watching this video as we will go through how to start up, market and make money on this site. Keep watching to the end as we also give you 15 quick ways to make money on this site. Before we begin though, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring out new videos to help you make money and give you the life you want. There are over 420 million Tumblr users and active users publish over 59 million posts every day. Big brands are on the platform, but competition is still low as only a fraction of businesses are taking the advantage of potential Tumblr offers. This is a great opportunity for you and your business. In this video we're going to show you how to get started with Tumblr, how to build an audience and tips on making money, so keep watching. The first thing you need to do on any new platform is to consider if it's right for you. You need to make sure that it's going to suit your business and strategy to make it easy for you to figure out if Tumblr is right for your business. Here are some key advantages that the platform offers. Does your company or business idea fit into any of these niches? 39% of Tumblr users are under the age of 25. If you're trying to reach a younger audience, you should definitely get on this platform. If you're looking to reach older audiences, then you should look at other platforms like Facebook. On Tumblr, you can post text, photos, quotes, links, chat, audio and video updates. But if you're serious about building a robust presence, most of what you should post should be photos, as photos are extremely popular on this network. 78% of content posted to Tumblr are images and they receive the most interactions, so remember that you'll need to create and share original images that your young audience would want to engage with. People use Tumblr differently than other social networks. On other networks, people usually like to share quick bits of information in the form of images and text, but many people use Tumblr as a blog and publish in-depth posts. Therefore, along with creating and sharing images, you should be prepared to write longer posts occasionally. But remember your audience and make sure that they are what they are looking for. On Tumblr, you can make custom modifications. You could hire a designer, or if you are that way inclined, you can give your account a unique appearance or install pre-designed themes. On almost every other social network, the number of followers is important. Tumblr is different. It's rare to find a Tumblr blog which displays the number of followers it has. Tumblr users care more about the interactions they have with other users. They want to build more meaningful relationships. Hence, you'll need to change your mindset on participation on here. If you think you or your business idea fits this niche, then great, let's get you set up. So how to create an account? First of all, visit Tumblr's homepage and sign up for an account by adding your email, password and username to the form provided. Choose a good username as it appears in your Tumblr URL. The best option is to be straightforward and add your business name. If your business name is already taken, use something similar or another name that suits your business. If it's going to be a personal platform about your lifestyle, etc., then simply use your name. Click on sign up. After adding these details, then Tumblr will ask your age. Always read through the terms and conditions and agree to these by ticking the box. Lastly, Tumblr will get you to take part in a short test to make sure you're not a bot. Follow these instructions and your account will be created. After you've got your account, you will then be asked to select 5 topics you like. You can select more than 5 if you like, but once you've selected 5 or more, a blue Next button will appear at the top right corner. Click on this button and your account will now be ready for use, and the posts on topics you've selected will appear in your dashboard. You can browse through them to get a feel for how Tumblr works, but before you do this, make sure you verify your email address. Your account might be created, but it's not properly set up because your avatar description, blog title and header image hasn't been added. To edit your profile, click on the account icon found on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then click Edit Appearance in the drop down menu. Then click Edit Appearance on the next page that appears. Once you do that, the edit options appear and you'll be able to add a new avatar, edit the image header, give a title to the blog and change the accent and background colours. At the minimum to start, add an easy to recognise avatar, a relevant cover image and your business name as the title. Here you can even change your username and blog URL if you'd like to. You can then click on the edit theme and change more details like the description, font style and avatar shape. After you make your changes, go back to Edit Appearance section and take a look at the rest of the changes that Tumblr allows you to make. You'll be able to adjust the daily posting frequency, block other users and do various other things. As previously mentioned, unlike other networks, you can make custom modifications to your Tumblr blog to make it your own. You could hire a designer or do it for yourself, or simply find a theme that you like and install it on Tumblr blog for free. You can browse and find Tumblr themes. You'll see there are both free and paid themes on various designs. You should be able to find one you like and within your budget with ease. Click on a theme you like, you'll then be taken to a page where you can see the features and preview it as a live demo site. Free themes you like can be installed right away. Make sure you can use a theme that reflects your brand and your audience. You can enhance your Tumblr to encourage engagement. You can even integrate Google Analytics with Tumblr to help you gain better insights about your visitors. After you install a theme, you should begin creating pages. You can start by creating an About page and Ask page. On the About page, provide a detailed introduction to your company and a link to your website. You can also add links to other social networks on this page. The Ask page is a special Tumblr page through which people can ask you questions. You need to have this page to encourage and foster more engagement. You can easily turn the page on by visiting the Edit Appearance section again and clicking the Ask switch. To create any other pages, including About page, you'll need to visit the Edit Theme page under Edit Appearance and click on the Add page, which can be found at the bottom on the menu on the left. The editor will then appear and you can add your details to the page and create it. Another thing to do is to display links to your website instead of Tumblr pages. This can help you drive traffic. To interact with others. The interactions you have with your Tumblr followers are extremely important as they'll determine how well you perform on the network. The more you engage with their posts by liking, reblogging and commenting, the more likely they'll return the favour. Start by posting a few posts on your Tumblr page. This will give your account some substance to start. Post images of what you do or your lifestyle. Also reblog posts you like. This not only adds content to your page, but it also helps you interact with others, as when you reblog their posts on your page, their posts get more exposure. They'll hopefully return the favour by reblogging your post too. You can also interact with other posts by liking and commenting on them. A like is similar to a like on Pinterest or Facebook. If you plan to write comments, make sure they are a bit more in-depth and meaningful. Following others in another effective way is to drive engagement and gather followers. Followers might not be given as much importance as likes and reblogs, but they're still important. The more followers you have, the more notes you will get. You can find Tumblr accounts to follow by searching relevant topics in the search fields and following the blogs that appear. Getting started with Tumblr is very easy if you follow these steps and set up a professional looking Tumblr account. After you're satisfied with its appearance, begin posting and interacting with other users. Once you get a good feel for the network, you can experiment with more advanced things like contests and advertisements. This will help you build a really good presence on your network. So here are 15 quick ways to make money on Tumblr. 1. Monetize with ads from Google AdSense or popular AdSense alternatives such as media.net or infolinks. 2. Sell more ebooks, create images with quotes from your book and post those images on Tumblr blog along with a link to your book. No matter what your Tumblr blog is about, you can mention the occasional products in your post and link them on Amazon using Amazon associate links. Just don't do it too often though. 4. Get a popular Tumblr blog, sell ad space on it just like you would any other blogging platform. The only difference is that you will have to code the ad into your Tumblr theme. 5. Infographics do well on Tumblr. Using them to promote a course or an ebook you are selling by posting the infographic along with a link to your course or ebook to learn more. 6. If you have customers on Tumblr who say nice things about your business, reblog all the compliments you receive on your own Tumblr blog. 7. Post highlights of your best reviews for anything you sell, products, service, books, etc. on your Tumblr with a link back to the applicable product, service, book or other item. If you make things, post your best work on Tumblr along with the link to the relevant service page. 9. If you design templates, create some themes for Tumblr and sell them in Tumblr Theme Garden or on its site Theme Forest. You can also offer a service to design custom Tumblr themes. 10. Get visitors to your Tumblr blog on your mailing list by including links to your squeeze page in the sidebar and a post on your blog. 11. If you sell products on sites like Etsy, eBay, etc., share them on Tumblr with links to your product. 12. If you really know the way around Tumblr, you could offer your services to others who need help setting up their Tumblr pages. 13. Share your artwork or photography on Tumblr, along with a link to your gallery purchasing page for each piece. 14. Create a resume using your Tumblr blog. You can include the basic details in your sidebar and make the post a portfolio. 15. If you are making money using Google AdSense on YouTube, share your YouTube videos on your Tumblr blog. The more views and shares you get from their network, the more clicks on your ads. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.